For the idea validation, we spoke to 15 early adopters. We told them everything about our business idea, all the offerings we have, and showed them how it's supposed to work with all the prototypes and all the documents we have. Then, every adopter gave us feedback and new ideas we could implement in our project. This really helped us because sometimes we are very convinced about the idea we created that we don't see important things that a client could look at. Then, we analyzed all the feedback we received to see the changes or improvements to make necessary decisions for our whole idea. This way, we could improve our project.
Talking about the findings from the feedback and analysis, we found that most of the people don't understand what a cryptocurrency is. All the people like the idea of the vending machines, and on the other hand, they asked for money instead of a cryptocurrency. They have a lot of questions of how the machine will evaluate the status of the electronic devices of the different kind of gadgets. And all the people would like to have machines well distributed. That's why we will simplify the user interface so it is easier for users to understand and apply it to the daily life.
So, in base on our findings, we conclude that first we have to explain our customers about our cryptocurrency EWA so they will understand how it can be used. Second, we have to have a control of how the products that are thrown into our vending machine and see what characteristics we're going to take into consideration to determine the value in EWA of each one of them. Third, if clients still aren't convinced of the use of EWA, we are going to add the option of promotion in external companies. And the last of the options of the new conclusions, we have to make a good analysis of the places that we're going to install our vending machines at.
After this, we needed to do some iterations on our social business idea. For instance, we're keeping our main idea intact, but we're adding a page on our app where clients can read more about our cryptocurrency so they won't have any problems while using it. Also, we're adding another page explaining what characteristics are considered at the moment of evaluation of the products and how it will be paid. The option of coupons in other companies instead of the cryptocurrency as a remuneration will also be added. We will simplify the user's interface so it is easier to understand. We will also define an exchange rate between the state of the electronic and its value in cryptocurrency. We will add an in-app tutorial on the use of our crypto coin and its advantages. And lastly, we will add a second option of retribution so people can feel more confident. We will give credits in different stores.